So finally we have our first look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. Before sharing more details, I have two watch faces that are made on the new watch face format, so don't forget to check them out. Okay, today OnLeaks posted these images of upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, and by seeing them we have a new design for Galaxy Watch that is different from what we are getting from Samsung for the past few years. So here you can see we have a rectangular frame, but bezel of this watch is still in circular shape. I think Samsung was not sure either to go with the rectangular design or a circular one, so they ended up adding both of them. Also you can see this watch is having those silicone watch straps, and there are no leather straps here. I think strap lock mechanism will be also different by seeing this image right here. So your existing watch straps might not work with this Galaxy watch. Being Ultra, this will offer some high-end features like more battery life, more ruggedness, and the long rumored blood glucose monitoring feature may also make a debut with this smartwatch. On the back we have new layout for sensors, and this is different from what we have on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Temperature sensor is still the same right here, but on this side Samsung has added new buttons. So now we have three buttons here. One of them I think will be a function key, just like Apple Watch Ultra, to open any app or shortcut of your choice. While speakers on this watch also look slightly better and bigger. So this was all about upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. What are your thoughts? Let me know about them in the comment section. Okay, now moving on to watch faces. These are made on the new watch face format, meaning that they are optimized a lot, saving battery life of your Samsung Galaxy watch. New watch face format features true blacks and optimized app that makes the overall experience a lot better. In this watch face format, I have two watch faces for giveaway. The first one is RE51 that offers your time in a big and bold format, while rest of the information is highlighted at the top and bottom. About customization, you can change a lot of colors with this information in the background, like this. Plus you can change color with time, and many more settings are also available to check out. Next one is also from Recreative Watch Faces, and this is RE52. Coupons for giveaway are available for both of them. You have to just comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. The design with this face is decent too. We have this dark background with some dotted lines and two subdials. Plus you can add any shortcut of your choice to them. Customization is also great on this one. Like you can change color with background information, color with time, and more. So check out these amazing designs. The link will be down in description. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.